Hello, my crafty friends. It's Karen, and this is Scrap by Scrap. Welcome. If you're new, I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you like what you see. Today, I'm doing a project that I've done before, and I've showed pictures of it, but I've never done a video. People have asked for the video, so now I'm going to make it. What it is that Sammy at Unicorn Dust Design had this thing on Tuesdays. It would be like Try It Tuesday or something. Anyway, she would find someone's project in Pinterest or on their website or wherever, and she would take their idea and then do something different with it. And then I saw Sammy's and I did something different with it. And now I'm making over my own, just using different paper and stuff. But I think you're going to like it, so I hope you hang out and check it out. If you'd like to subscribe or click the like button, it's 2 ways that you can support me. It won't cost you a dime. I can wait. We could sit here for a few minutes if you need time. Okay, we don't have to. So, so I hope you enjoy it. And please leave a comment with anything good or bad that you like what I'm doing, because I can't figure out why I can't get my numbers up. So, I would appreciate it. I hope you enjoy it and have a great day. Okay, so this is a frame that I got from Dollar Tree. Oh, I guess we're going to talk about this. This book I got off of Amazon has a bunch of Christmas music. I just copied it onto a piece of rice paper, so I will still have the original. And I got that on Amazon. The frame I got at Dollar Tree. It's plastic. I made one of these last year, and I also used a plastic frame. I paint it with chalk paint, and it really, when you're done, it doesn't look like it's plastic. And I love that it's plastic because it's nice and light. So I used Rich Black from Folk Art, and I'm just giving it a coat all the way around. And the printing the rice paper on your printer is so easy. Just put it right in like paper. It prints right on it, and it works great. So this frame I thought was the same frame that I used last year. But as I was in my craft room, and every time something moved, something would cackle. And apparently it was this. It had a woman picture that if you moved it, she looked like a skeleton. Yeah. So they weren't the same, so I had to take that all apart, but the frame is still great for $3. So we're just using a cardboard I cut for the backing to cover the piece up that I took off. And I'm just using a glue stick to just glue it right onto that. I didn't want to use the iron-on method because what I glued on was that weird textured picture from, oh, there it is. So I just used a glue stick and threw it on. If you can see the wings, I used the IOD mold wings and feathers, and that tall skinny ornament came from, it's an old set, it's called Baubles. You still can get it on not eBay, on somewhere, I'll get back to you on that, on Etsy, but you're going to pay a lot of money. So I do sell the molds if anybody wants me to, pour them and sell them the resin pieces. I can do that. Now that I just put on as DIY dark and decrepit powder. It feels just like baby powder. And I like to just sprinkle it in and try and get it down inside the wings to just give them a little dimension. And I'm using the white paint still, adding more dark and decrepit. Now this one compared to the other one that I did, and they'll both be shown at the end, this one I did a little bit more like creamier or beigeier than the other one, which was more gray. Because on top of the dark and decrepit, I just put some more white paint. I'm just going to wax it up with the clear, so I know that whatever happens, I can wipe it back to right here. So I'm just taking off the top of the excess wax. This is
the gold wax from I get it from Unicorn Dust Designs, and it's just a gold wax that I'm putting on top, scraping it out of the bottle to put it on the cover is a good idea rather than to contaminate the wax by dipping your paintbrush in a few times. I'm adding that gold wax to all of the detail on the frame. It really brings it out. You'll find that with a lot of IOD stuff when you put the waxes on or the paint on, how much detail you find that you didn't really see. And I'm just wiping the wax around, just fitting everything back in because I don't know where I put the screws. I mean, I'll find them, but for now it's just sticking there because I don't know where they are. Okay, so I'm just I like to put it off center. I don't want it to look like a bullseye. There it is. And the song I chose was Hark the Herald Angels Sing, so you can't really read the title, but you can see the words of the song. And I'm just using my quick and thick glue, but I also find that I needed to put a little bit of hot glue to hold it while the other glue dries, because it takes a little bit. It is great glue, but it just takes a little bit of time to do it. Have it dry, I mean. And here's where I'm putting white paint into my glue. I just noticed this when I was watching the video, and I'm like, that's paint going into my blue bottle. Yeah. So I would just add the hot glue to hold that down for now. The one on the left, you'll see a better picture, is the one I made last year. And so I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. This will probably be my last video for the year. We're going to make some changes, try and set up some schedules, and try and do certain dates and see if that helps the channel for certain times and dates. So I hope you all have an amazing holiday season. This is the one I did last year, sorry. Nope, this is this year's. That's last year's. Sorry about that. I do hope you have an amazing, amazing holiday season. Be safe, and I hope to see you in the new year.